So, hey, is this your first time trying to read the Bible all the way through? Not quite sure what to do? I got a few suggestions. Stick around. Talk to you in a few secs. Hi, it's Deborah. Thanks for being here again if you've been here before, and thanks for coming for the first time if you haven't. Welcome. Please stay all the way to the end because I do have a pro tip for you about how to get through reading the Bible. Okay? So, you're thinking about reading the Bible through, but you're not quite sure how to get it done? Well, my first tip for you is to read it through in 90 days. You can get a book, a Bible plan, and you can just bang it out, bang it out, bang it out, and get it done in 90 days. Okay? The second way you can do it is read the Bible through in a year. And you can have two opportunities where you could either read it through the year with a Bible plan, a schedule, and you can read from Genesis to Revelation. Or you can try a different kind of schedule where you're reading part of the Old Testament and part of the New Testament, a few chapters from each division every day. You could try that. Or you could just open it up and read from Genesis to Revelation, but I don't usually recommend that because people usually get stuck somewhere between Leviticus and Numbers and they sort of never come out, okay? So you could try doing a 90-day plan, you could try doing a 1-year plan, or you could just open it up and just go for it. And my pro tip, guess what? If you get stuck or you get distracted, life happens, you don't get back to it for a few days or a few weeks, don't beat yourself up. You'll get through it. When I did my first reading the Bible through in a year, it didn't take me 365 days. It took me 385 days, but I got it done. And so you can get it done too. Don't get discouraged. You're going to get through it. I know you want to. You can get this done. Okay? Thank you so much for listening to me about the ways you can get through reading the Bible through for the first time. And please come back and be with me. I have more stuff to share, and I certainly still have to get through the other books of the Bible where I'm talking about the goodness of God. I'm still in the Old Testament doing that. So come back and be with me again real soon, won't you? Talk to you soon. Thanks for being here. Bye.